Assalamu alaikum girls. I hope all of you are enjoying best of your health. Today we are going to continue with unit 9 light. We have already done page number 57, so today we will discuss page number 58. In my previous lecture also I explained that whenever light travels from one place to another, it always moves in a straight line. And we also discussed a short experiment also. I hope all of you remember that. Now today when we will see that whenever light is moving from one place to another, how much time does it takes, means what is the speed of light. Light travels very fast, just as we all know that whenever we turn on the light in our room or a lamp, suddenly within a second, not more than a second, the light goes on, the whole of the room is brightened up. Yes or no? So this proves that light reaches every corner of the room within less than a second, that which shows that light travels very fast. Now if I talk about the light from the moon to the earth, it travels in less than 1 second, means it does not take even 1 second for light to move from moon to earth. It shows that the light has a very high speed. It is moving at a very high speed. Now when light travels, it always travels in a straight line, we all know. But what we call those straight lines is rays. What are those rays? Rays are the light traveling in straight line. Just as in this picture, you can see that the light rays from the sun are coming down to the earth, and they are in the form of straight lines, and these straight lines are known as rays. Okay? Now there is another term we will going to discuss in this lecture, which is refraction. To understand refraction more, I want you all to perform a short experiment at home, which is take a glass and put some water into it. Now put a pencil or a straw inside it and see how it looks from the side. You will be able to see, as it is shown in this figure also, that the straw looks that it is bending. This is due to the bending of the light rays from when light enters or the water, or it passes through the water. Okay, this is because of that. And this phenomenon of light, when light rays pass through water or glass, they bend. It is known as refraction of light. Whenever light rays pass through water or glass, anything, they bend, and this bending of light is known as refraction. Once more, bending of light rays when they pass through water or glass is called refraction. Now all of us see different colored things around us. Like if we see a tomato, it is red in color. If we see a leaf, it is gray. Sorry. It is green in color. And if we see an orange, it is orange in color. A mango is yellow. The leaves are green, and so all around us we are seeing different colors and different objects with different colors. And we discussed in the last lecture also that these different colors we see are due to reflection of light. Yes, whenever light falls on something, it reflects back, goes into our eyes, and we see different colors, we see different objects. Now let's talk about white light. If we see the light of a tube light, a lamp, light coming from a sun or a bulb, most of the time it looks white. But in the presence of the white light, we are able to see so many colors around us. How is that possible? It is possible because white light is made up of 7 colors. Those are the same 7 colors you see in the rainbow, which are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the same 7 colors which are present in the rainbow, and this white light which we see around us is consists of these 7 colors. And how we can see that these colors are coming out from white light? We can see these colors when we shine bright light on an object which is known as prism. Now what is a prism? Prism is a glass which has a special shape like this. Triangular piece of glass. There's a small mistake here, I would correct it. It is rather than rectangular, it is triangular. as you can see here also. This prism is a triangular piece of glass, and whenever light falls on this prism, what happens? It disperses or it scatters into the 7 colors, which are the 7 rainbow colors. I hope this is clear. So we discussed 3 topics over here. The first one is that whenever light travels from one place to another, it travels very fast. Second thing, we discuss about refraction. What is refraction? Whenever light passes through anything, like it passes through a glass, it passes through water, it bends. And the third thing we studied, the third topic we discussed today is white light. And we discussed that white light is made up of 7 colors. Those are the same 7 colors the rainbow we see is made up of. These are the 7 colors which we can see if the white light passes through a prism. It is very evidently shown that light breaks up into 7 colors. That's all for today. Now we are going to do one question as classwork, which is what is refraction of light? The answer is bending of light rays when they pass through water or glass is called refraction. I will send the classwork separately also in the group, so just wait for that picture. And your homework is that you have to do question number 3 on book page number 60, which is draw lines to show how white light passes through prism. This question you will do on your books page number 60. This is your homework. Okay, so that's all for today. Be safe and healthy, and goodbye.